गुड इवनिंग स्टूडेंट्स। कैसे हैं आप लोग? आशा है कि आप लोग अच्छी तरह से होंगे। पिछले वीडियो में हम लोगों ने क्यूब और क्यूब्स के बारे में जाना था। इस वीडियो में हम लोग एक्सपोनेंट्स के बारे में जानेंगे एवं उससे संबंधित प्रश्नों को सॉल्व करेंगे। What is exponent? An exponent tells you how many times to multiply a number by itself. Suppose let a be any number and n is any positive integer. Then we define a upon n is equal to a into up to n times. We rate a upon n as a raised to power of n. If a n is any number, then a is called base and n is called exponent. Consider an example, that is 2 to the power 3 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. This is called base and 3 is called exponent. Now consider the example. Express the following in the exponential form. Since 7 is written 6 times, hence it will be written as 7 to the power 6. Minus 1 is written as 4 times, then it will be minus 1 to the power 4. That is equal to 1. M is written 3 times and M is written 3 times, N is written 4 times, and P is equal to 2 times. That is equal to M ka power 3, N ka power 4 and P ka power 2. And consider the next question. Here 3 is written 3 times, X is written 1 times, Y is written 2 times, and Z is equal to 3 times. That is equal to 3 ka power 3 times into X 1 times into Y ka power 2 times into Z ka power 3 times, and so on. Now consider the next example. Express the number 45,000 as a product of its prime factor in exponential form. Solution. $45,000 can be written as 45 into 1000. That is equal to 5 into 9 into 10 ka power 3 equal to 5 into 3 square into 2 into 5 ka cube equal to 2 ka power cube into 3 ka power 2 into 5 ka power 4. That is the answer. Consider the next example. Evaluate the following. First, 3 ka power 3 into 10 ka power 4. We have to put it into normal form, from exponential form to normal form. That is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. That is equal to 3 3 are 9, 3 are 27 and 3 0. Similarly, this will be 2 ka power 2 into 2 into 2 into 4 into 4. That is equal to 2 2 4 8 16 16 into 16 is equal to, that is equal to 256. And the last one, that is equal to 5 into 5 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. There is 5 5 0 25, 5 0 125 into 16, that is equal to 2000. Now consider the next example, that is equal to 3 का पावर माइनस 3 तो equal to minus 3 into minus 3 into minus into minus 4 into minus 4, that is equal to minus 27 into minus into plus 16, that is equal to minus 432. That now we consider our next example, equal to minus 2 का power 5 equal to minus 2 5 times. Minus 2 into minus 2 4 times into minus 2 5 times into minus 10 6 times. Go. Minus 12. 3 times to minus 10 4 times and 5 times 6 times. Equal to 2 is 4, 3 is 8, 2 is 16 is equal to minus 32, 8, 6 times 0. That is the answer. Now consider the 2 by 5 power 4 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. Yeah, 16 by 625, that is the answer. Consider the next example. Find the value of minus 1 to the power 6. Since 6 is minus 1 का power 6 is an even number, then its value will be 1. And in here, minus 1 का power 7, where 7 is odd, that will be minus 1. Yeah. Negative number. Raised to the power even gives positive number. While negative number raised to the power odd odd gives negative number. Number with zero or negative integer as exponents. Let a be a non-zero number and n is a positive integer. Then we define a power minus n equal to 1 by a power n. Also we define a power 0 is equal to 1. Such an example, 5 का power minus 4 is equal to 1 but 5 का power 4. 2 का power minus 7 is equal to 1 but 2 का power 7. 6 का power minus 3 is equal to 1 by 6 का power 3 and so on. Similarly, एक 2 का power 0 it will be 1, 3 का power 0 it will be 1, or any number whose power is 0 it will become 1, and so on. Laws of exponents. A का power m into a का power n is equal to a का power m plus n. Proof. Equal a का power a into a का power m into a का power n into a का power n is equal to a into a into a into m times multiplied by a into a into a up to a into a into a up to n times. Equal to a cup a into a into a into a into a up into m plus n times. That is equal to a का power m plus n is equal to RHS. Now law 2. A का power n divided by a का power n is equal to a का power m minus n if m is greater than n is not equal to 0. Proof. A का power m divided by a का power n is equal to a का power m बटे a का power n is equal to a का power n up to m times. equal to a का power a is equal to a का power a into a n times is equal to a का power a into a up to m minus n times equal to a का power m minus n equal to r test. That is proved. So see the next law. Equal to a का power m का power n is equal to a का power m into a का power m into the power n m times a का power m plus m plus m up to n times. That is a का power m into n. Yes, I similarly a का power n a का power m is equal to a का power n into a का power n into a का power n into up to m times equal to a का power n plus n plus n a का power n plus up to m times equal to a का power n into m. A का power n into m equal to a का power m into n. Hence a का power m a का power m का power n is equal to a का power n का power m equal to a का power m n. Now consider the next theorem. And time into b into b into b into b into n times. that is equal to e to power n into b to power n, that is equal to r s. Now consider next theorem. A power equal to b to power n is equal to a power n to b to power n when b is not equal to 0. A by b to power n is equal to a by b into a by b into a by b into n times is equal to a into a into a into n times E into B into B to B to Q and times is equal to e to power n that is b to power n, that is equal to r s proved. Now consider the next example. Simplify and write the following in exponential form. This is equal to 10 to the power minus 2 plus minus 5. That is equal to 10 to the power minus 5 minus 2 minus 5. That is equal to 10 to the power minus 7. Similarly, 3 to the power 2 plus minus 5 plus 6 is equal to 3 to the power 3. That is equal to 9 to the power minus 7 by 9 to the power 4. That is equal to 9 to the power minus 7 minus 4. That is 9 to the power minus 11. That now consider the next question. Equal to 2 to the power 4 into 1 button minus 4 to the power 2 equal to 4 into 1 बटे 4 गुने 4 16 इक्वल टू 2 गुने 2 बटे 4 गुने 4 4 गुने 4 that is 2 गुने 4 गुने 4 that is equal to 1. Equal to 10 to the power minus 2 बटे 13 का पावर minus 2 is the power 3 equal to 8 what 10 to the power minus 6 equal to 13 to the power 6. That is the answer. Is equal to 8 to the power P plus Q equal to 8 to the power P plus Q. That is the answer. E to the power equal to A to the power 5 into B to the power 12 into A to the power A B to the power 9 equal to A to the power 5 into A to the power 5 B to the power 12 A to the power 9 B to the power 9. A to the power 5 plus 9 plus 9 into B to the power 12 plus 9 A to the power 14 into B to the power 21. That is equal to P to the power 4 Q to the power 6 P to the power 2 Q to the power 3 equal to P to the power 2 4 minus 2 into Q to the power 6 minus 3 equal to P to the power 2 into Q to the power 3. That is the answer. Now consider the next question. Using the law of exponents, evaluate the following. That is equal to 5 or 7 plus minus 3. That is 5 over 7 minus 3. 5 to the power 5 to the power 4 equal to 1 by 2 to the power minus 3 plus minus 2. That is 1 to the power 2 to the power minus 5 equal to 2 to the power 5.
But 0 is not wrong. See what happens.
Much. is equal to 3 का पावर 2 का पावर -3 is equal to 3 का पावर -6 is equal to 1 by 3 का पावर 6 is equal to थ्री का पावर -2 का पावर -2 into 5 का पावर -2 equal to 5 का पावर 2 बटे डिवाइड बाई 3 का पावर -2 का पावर 2 equal to 25 into 3 का पावर -4 equal to 25 into 3 का पावर 4 25 into 81 is equal to 2025. That is the answer. Then 3 power -2 into a power -3 4 the power -2 power 3 power minus 4 6 is equal to evaluate the following. 5 to power 0 is equal to 1. 6 minus 6 का power 0 is equal to 1. 2 का power 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. दो गुणे 5 simplify the following question. 2 गुणे 5 plus 5 Plus equal to 5 to the power 5 to the power plus 5 to the power plus 2 plus 3 into 5 plus 2 plus 2 put this one. Here, everybody takes the down out there. So I will leave this. 8 minutes. Equal to 8 but 10 power minus 1 is 5 to the power minus 1. Five to the power minus 1 plus 4. 2 to the power 4 to 2, right? Divided by 1 by 2. Good. Add it. 1, 2. Còn đây là Now consider next example. Simplify this. This is equal to plus 3 to the power 2 plus 4 to the power 2 equal to याद रखना है 16. Consider the next example. By what number should 3 by 4 power minus 1 be multiplied so that the product is 5 under 4 power minus 1? Solution. Let the number be x. X into 3 by 4 power minus 1 is equal to 5 by 4 power minus 1. That is equal to x into 4 by 3 equal to 4 by 5. That is equal to x is equal to 3 into 4 by 5 into 4. That is implied x is equal to 3 by 5. That is the answer. Hence, equal. Is 3 by 5. Consider the next example. By what number should 3 by 2 power minus 3 be divided so that the quotient is 9 by 4 power minus 2? Now, let the required number be x. Be x. Then 3 by 2 the power minus 3 divided by x is equal to 9 by 4 the power minus 2 equal to 2 by 3 the power 3 divided by x is equal to 4 by 9 the power 2 equal to 8 बटा 27 डिवाइड बाय x इक्वल टू 16 बटा 9 that is equal to 8 बटे 27 गुणे 1 बटे x इक्वल टू 16 बटे 21 equal to implied 8 बटे 27 81 बटे 16 equal to दिया Now consider the next example. If 12 by 1 for find the value of following equal to 12 by 10 to the whole rest of it. is equal to 144 by 100 equal to 1.44 equal to 1 2 by 100 that's equal to 100 square equal to no 144 but 100 equal to 0.0144. That is the answer. Square. Just about 6 equal to now consider the next example. Identify the number that are same. Solution. Writing this number at the power of 2 and 3. The numbers of powers of 2 and 3. 6 power 4 into 3 power 2 is equal to 3 power 2 into 3 power 4. 2 power 4 into 3 power no into 3 power 2. 2 power 4 into 3 power 4 into 3 power 2 equal 2 power 4 into 3 power 6. Three power 6 that is the answer. No, there is not the answer. 6 power 10. Power 10 into 3 power 10. Next one, 2, 3, 4. और इनका पावर 2 इंटू जो यूनिट का पावर स्क्वायर इक्वल 2 का पावर इतना इंटू 3 का पावर 4 2 into 3 का पावर 3 into 2 का पावर 4 into 3 का पावर 6 1 3 का पावर 6 का पावर 24 equal to 2 into 3 का पावर 24 equal to 2 का पावर 4 into 3 का पावर 24. Now consider the next question and find the greater number in each of the following. First, 4 you 64 3 का पावर 4 everything here in everyone else 3 over 4 is greater than 4 over 3 that is 3 over 4 is greater yes. 2 over 8 is equal to 256. That is else 2 power 8 is greater. Third, 100 over 2 is equal to and 2 का power 100 is equal to 2 का power 10 का power 10 over 2 का power 10. Hence 2 का power 100 is greater. आज की वीडियो में हम लोगों ने एक्सपोनेंट्स के बारे में जाना और अगले वीडियो में पावर लाइन्स के बारे में जानेंगे। यदि आपको वीडियो पसंद आया तो लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अपने दोस्तों को भी शेयर कीजिए। थैंक यू।